Hello Mustang lovers. Today we're going to work on the 2009 45th anniversary Mustang. I bought this Mustang a few months ago to replace my 2005 Mustang. Unfortunately, it was in a car accident. I've been doing repairs on this thing to make it look sweet. Okay, we're gonna fix that headliner. See how it's drooping? I've had this Loctite spray adhesive for quite a while. Still got about half. I've used this thing for so many things, and a few times I use it to fix headliners. Good stuff. First you shake it up. All right, not too bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this spray. I'm lying on my back, so. I like this Loctite spray adhesive. It's really easy to clean up. That's why I'm not even masking off the window or anything. I remember back in the day, people would use those little lapel pins and they would stick them on here to hold that liner up. But it looked, back in the day, that was pretty, back then that was pretty cool. But no, I'm not gonna do that to this Mustang. I realized on this car that not only is the headliner coming apart, but also the door panel. They have a piece of vinyl that's inlaid into the door. My 05 did not have that. I've had Mustangs for quite a while. I've owned 4 Mustangs in my life. In 2003, I bought one of the new Edge Mustangs. It was a 6-cylinder automatic transmission. It was a pretty nice little car. But then when the 05 came out, I had to trade it in. And about the same time, I also purchased a 65 Mustang. If you look at my video catalog, you'll see that I did some work on this Mustang. I wish I would have still had it because we could have gone further with it. I brought it pretty much from the graveyard to actually inspect it and roadworthy. Very nice. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you like this content, punch the subscribe button. Ring that notification bell. And as always, keep that rubber down and God bless you.